All right. Okay, we're starting with sixth grade. All right, moving on quick, guys. Types of shops. This is the topic of today. It's called types of shops. Okay, remember, just a quick reminder that you can always use a dictionary for English and Spanish. Okay, or any translation tool that you can find online. All right. Okay, so moving on to the exercise. It says number one, write the name of the shop that corresponds to the merchandise sold. Okay, and there's a quick reminder telling you that you may use it in English, the Spanish dictionary. Okay, and then I included an explanation, an instruction in Spanish. Okay, it's the same as the one in English. All right. Types of shops. Okay, we have a chart or a diagram, okay, with a bunch of pictures and names. Okay, those pictures with names are actually the shops. Okay, each of those shops specialize in selling a certain type of product or give a certain or special kind of service. All right, so number one, it says here they specialize in selling meat. Okay, so what we're gonna do is find a shop that specializes in selling meat. Okay, let's look at the first four from the top of the diagram. It says a greengrocer. Okay, and you can see a bunch of vegetables inside a basket, and then we have the butcher, and we can see that there's like a knife, okay, and a cutting table, okay, with a little blood. All right, and then there's a supermarket. Okay, we know what a supermarket is. Everybody knows. And the florist. Okay, you can tell by the name and the picture what they sell. Okay, so anyways, if we are looking for a shop that specializes in selling meat, okay, that would be the greengrocer. No, the butcher could be. The supermarket could be, might be. Florist, definitely no. Okay, so we know that the supermarket sells meat, but do they specialize in selling meat? No. Okay, so the butcher specializes in selling just meat. Okay, so we're gonna write down here they specialize in selling meat, and you write down in number one, butcher. Butcher. Okay, number two, it says here they specialize in selling books. Okay, so now you're gonna take a quick look or slow look, whatever you want, and look for a shop in those pictures that specializes in selling books. Okay, it's quite easy if you ask me. All right, number two, moving on to exercise number two, guys. Okay, remember the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're gonna do the same thing. Look for the picture. Okay, and write out the name in the space given in the black line. All right, number two, exercise number two. Write the correct shop or product word from the boxes to the sentences. Okay, so if we take a good look at it, we can see that there's a bunch of boxes with words inside. Okay, those are the words we're going to be using. Okay, so drugstore, pet store. We know that the the name store means it's a shop. Okay, and then we have candies, notebook, and computer. Those are products. Okay, and then we have again more shops. It says clothing store and hardware store. All right. Uh, the activity says Alice. Alice is the name of a girl, okay, or a woman. Alice is buying, okay. You know what buying is, right? Using money to purchase something, okay. A jacket. Alice is buying a jacket. Jacket is a piece of clothing. She is at the, okay, and then you have to guess or read, okay, and choose from those boxes above, choose the shop that specializes in selling clothes. Okay, is it the drugstore? No. Is it a pet store? No. Candies, notebook, computer? No. Okay, those are products again. Okay, clothing store and hardware store. Okay, so clothing store sells clothes. Obviously, the jacket it's sold in the clothing store. So we're gonna write it like this. It's gonna look like this. Alice is buying a jacket. She is at the clothing store. All right, next one. It says Susan is buying a. Then we don't know. And then it says she is at the technology store. Okay, so the big clue we have about Susan, okay, and the product that she bought is the technology store. Okay, what do they sell in the technology store? Do they sell candies? No. Do they sell notebooks? No. Do they sell computers? Yes, because it's a technology store. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Susan is buying a computer. She is at the technology store. Okay, so you do the same thing for the rest of them, guys. All right, we're gonna stop it here. Okay, thank you for your attention and see you next class.